We've done a few performance mods on your Volkswagen TDI, and now you need an upgraded clutch to hold the extra power that your car is making. So we're hanging out with Delton from South Bend Clutch to help you make the right decision on what clutch to buy.
Looks like we're working with some miniature diesel power today, some TDI power. What different clutches do you have here?
So this is our VW TDI Clutch. It is a conversion clutch. So factory application is a dual mass flywheel or a two-piece flywheel. So this is a solid flywheel conversion, very similar to what's referred to as the VR6 conversion.
Okay.
Has an upgraded pressure plate. Internally, we make some modifications to it to increase clamp load, decrease pedal effort, which in turn is easier on the throwout bearing.
Right. I had I think it was a stage 2 endurance clutch for my 06 TDI Jetta.
Yep.
And yeah, when we put it in there, you could tell that truly the pedal felt factory and engaged perfect.
Yep.
You know, and then I could add, I think 200 extra horsepower to that car.
Yes.
And not worry about basically wear with the clutch.
Right.
Pretty badass setup.
Right.
I think it's probably the same one. It had you know, the infused there, the organic and.
Yeah, it's our performance organic. Has the high woven brass material content in it to help increase the burst point of the clutch disc. It's also a floating hub in it,
Right.
so easier on the input shaft.
Now, what different stages do you have for these clutches?
We have a total of 4 different stages on the TDI application. It's basically friction compound differences,
Right.
to hold different torque loads.
The pressures are the same, or are they different per?
Pedal pressures or clamp load is about the same between all of them. Yep.
And then what type of materials are you changing then between the different stages?
So we use an organic material, we have a ceramic material, and we also have a Kevlar material.
Yeah. So like say, I guess what would be the lowest stage? Is it just stage 1? And then
Correct.
there's like a stage 1 endurance, or what, how
Correct.
your stages work?
Yeah, so it's a stage 1 is going to be a full organic clutch, kind of like an entry-level stock application.
So if a guy's just maybe a little extra power tuner or something like that,
Sure.
or his stock, you know, clutch just burn up and he needs
Correct,
a new one.
correct. Then you go into the multi-friction setups where you're using organic material and ceramic or Kevlar.
And is that like a stage 1 endurance, or what is that?
That'd be a stage 2.
Stage 2?
Yep.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, all around really, really nice, easy, smooth, engaging, very user-friendly clutch.
Absolutely, yeah. I was very happy with mine. I had my TDI, I think, for about a year, and then toasted the clutch, got some Kerma tuning. I did the upgraded cam because those are needed, absolutely needed on those Jettas. That get the wear points on the cam and stuff. And so I was like, well, if I'm this far into it, might as well do this and this and this. And it just ended up being a stock car into a little performance, like grocery getter. And,
Oh, yeah.
And so the clutch wasn't very far around the corner.
And they're fun little cars.
They are. They're quick. I mean, you know, a little, you know, lightweight car like that, making, I think just a few mods, 100 horsepower, 200 foot-pounds of torque, and gets pretty quick, you know.
And it makes good mileage too. So
it does, yeah, almost 50 miles to the gallon.
Yeah.
So they're fun cars, and having the clutch to be able to hold the extra power that you're getting is a mandatory thing. So.
Right, and then the longevity as well.
Absolutely.
So.
Yeah, I think I had the car for a few more years after that and never had any clutch issues, and it still felt brand new.
Absolutely.
Awesome. Well, if you have any more questions on these TDI clutches, just hit us up or check out our website at alligatorperformance.com.